Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can clone yourself in a video by using this effect on CapCut. So first you just need to add your videos into CapCut like this. And after that, to add the clone effects, you can go to effects and click on the body effects. And in here, find the clone category. So under the clone category, there will be lots of clone effect that you can select. So you can just choose based on your preferences or your needs. For example, let's try this doppelganger effect. You can see here. Now it will allow you to clone yourself. Here you can always adjust the amount of doppelganger. For example, if you want to reduce it into 3 like this, or let's try a different clone effect. Let's try this phantom clone. So click on the effect and it will clone yourself in a phantom clone effect like this. Here you can also adjust the speed, the glow. I'm going to lower it to around 60 and intensity. Okay, click on the check icon when you're done, and that's it. So guys, that's how you can clone yourself in a video using the CapCut effect. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.